Gratitude. Writers need it. We need it. We all need it. And this Thanksgiving, I thought, you know what? Let's have a little gratitude for everything that a writer has. So, you ready? Here it is. Amazon. Let's have a little gratitude for Amazon. Yes, I know they mess things up and sometimes you hate them. Get my glasses to stay on right. But let's face it, before there was the ability to have authors publish their indie books, it was nearly impossible to get your books out. At least in a big way. So, cut a big slice of turkey and don't think about how much Amazon owns your soul. Number 2, Word, Pages, Google Docs, or any novel writing platform. Back in the day, I know some of you are back in the day with me, people wrote by hand. I can't even imagine. I can't even read my own grocery lists. Or a typewriter. Yeah, how many bottles of whiteout did you go through? Us old folk, yeah, it was hard back in the day. Did you know that Ray Bradbury wrote Fahrenheit 451 in the basement of a library where he had to pay an hourly rate to use the typewriter? So scoop up some stuffing and don't think about how many drafts Ray Bradbury would have written if he could revise it 1,000,000 times like we do. Number 3. Easy to access and purchase art and graphics for covers. So easy now. So pour the gravy on that mashed potatoes and don't think about the thousands and thousands of images that you need to look at for your next book. Number 4, how easy it is to access and purchase very cool fonts. Fonts isn't a new thing, but our choices and our access to those choices it's kind of mind-blowing. So enjoy some cranberry relish and don't think about going through hundreds and hundreds of pages on Etsy looking for that perfect font for your book cover. Number 5, coffee. Sorry, tea drinkers. We can make coffee 100 different ways in our home if we like, or go to our local coffee shop. We can make them in different flavors and different strengths, foam, all different kind of ways. We can take our coffee tasting trips like around the world and just bring all the different flavors right into our home or into our local coffee shop. And since coffee, I believe, is the nectar of writers, we must give thanks to all the marvelous, marvelous benefits of coffee. So sip on that wine for now and don't think about all the amazing ideas that you will come up with in the middle of the night that you forget in the morning. Number 6, mass book mailing lists to promote on. Yes, it may cost some money, but it's usually pretty affordable. And those help you find readers, new readers, and that's fabulous. So slather butter on that roll and don't think about coordinating your Kindle sales days with 3 other book blast sites. Yeah, don't think about that. Oh. Number 7, the 7th thing to have gratitude about is social media. Yes, sometimes it's a love-hate thing. Yes, it sucks your time away, but readers can find your books. They can find them. You can connect with readers. You can do giveaways, promotions. It's another chance, another way, another avenue or venue to find readers. How awesome is that? So enjoy that sweet potato pie and don't think about all the Thanksgiving social posts you're missing or haven't posted yet. Number 8, Another thing to be grateful for: all the videos, blog, podcasts, and masterclasses to help you write and improve your writing craft, your marketing craft, your author craft, any part of the writing and publishing business craft. Spoon in another bite of mashed potatoes and don't even think about all the stuff you realized you didn't know or need to improve. Ooh. Number 9 to be grateful about: author websites. How great is a whole website dedicated to you, and you, and readers can find you, all your offerings in one handy dandy place. So get yourself a second helping of whatever you like, and don't even think about how you need to update your website. Number 10, and the last on my gratitude list: be thankful, be grateful for your creativity. You are one of the few who can create stories out of thin air. And people, maybe a few, maybe a lot, they read those stories. You know, so many people have no idea how we do what we do. And that's why they always ask us, where do you get your ideas? And where does your inspiration come from? Our creative brains are scary amazing. They really are. So thank you, brain. Have gratitude for your brain this Thanksgiving, and cut a big wedge of apple or pecan or pumpkin pie, and don't think about how that amazing, scary, creative brain of yours causes you so much angst and aggravation. I gave you lots of things to think about this Thanksgiving, a lot of things to have gratitude for. If I missed one, let me know in the comment section what you are grateful for in the writing world this Thanksgiving. Don't forget to leave that comment. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps get my channel out there. If you haven't already, give it a subscribe. And remember to dream, create, and embrace this Thanksgiving. Embrace the gratitude. Bye-bye.